Hey guys, how's it going? It is Dean from LazyLife Productions, and today I'm going to give you 3 methods in After Effects on rearranging your layers. So without further ado, let's jump straight on into it. Method number 1, which I find is the simplest method to do if you have a small amount of layers, is to just left click and hold and drag it to whichever position you'd like it in, and then release the mouse. That will rearrange the order. Second method, if you want to use a keyboard shortcut to move these layers, this is what you're going to do. You're going to have to first click on the layer that you wish to move. And then you're going to go Control, Alt, and then you use your up and down keys to change the position. It'll go one layer down or up depending on which key you push. So you have Control, Alt, and you'll press down arrow to go down or up arrow to go up. And the third method is also using keyboard shortcuts. If you want to take your top layer and put it to the bottom of your stack, what you're going to do is Control, Alt, Shift, and if you want it at the bottom of the stack, you're gonna press the down arrow while holding the Control, Alt, and Shift. So Control, Alt, Shift, down arrow, and that'll take your top layer and put it all the way to the bottom. And if you want your bottom layer all the way to the top, you're gonna go Control, Alt, Shift, and up arrow. And that'll take it to the top of the stack. Now you cannot move layers around willy-nilly. If you're on this screen, for example, see how it's got a blue border around it? That means you're using this window. You wouldn't be able to use these shortcut keys to drag it. You need to click on an individual layer on which you want to move and then use one of those 3 methods to move it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up, consider subscribing, and I will be back with another video very soon. Till the next time, see you later.